Good morning, children. Yesterday we completed question answers. No, today you have to write think and answer. Okay, E bit completed. Next F bit. Write down. Think and answer. Three question answers only have. What is the first one? Why does a fish lay a large number of eggs at a time? Okay, write down. Why does a fish lay a large number of eggs at a time? Answer here to write. The fish lays at a time a large number of eggs at a time in the water only, no? So some eggs are eaten by big fishes. Okay, some only it's turned into babies. So write down. A fish lays thousands of eggs. A fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water. In water. Because out of these only, comma, because out of these only out of these only a few hundred grow into baby fish. Only a few hundred grow into baby fishes. Baby fish. A few hundred grow into baby fish. Many eggs and baby fish are eaten up by big fish. Many eggs and baby fish. Eggs and baby fish are eaten up by big fish. Big fish. In the water, very big fishes. So many have no. The big fishes eating eggs and baby fishes also eats. That's why the fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water. Okay. Next. Second question. Understand, children? A fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water because out of these only a few hundred grow into baby fish. Many eggs and baby fish are eaten up by big fish. Okay? Next question. A frog can live on land but its babies can't. Why? Why? Because the frog baby we are called tadpole. It looks like a fish. And breathing organ also, gills only have. So, write down. Gills have, that's why it's can't live on land. Breathing purpose, no? So, write down. A frog can live. Okay, I will write down upside down leaves. Completed means. A frog can live Its babies can't. Why? Its babies cannot. Why? Frogs have lungs. Frogs have lungs for breathing on land. But their babies do not have lungs. But their babies do not have lungs. Do not have lungs. They have gills. They have gills. They have gills, which help them to breathe in water only. Which help them to breathe in water only. Breathe in water only. Gills have means they can breathe in water only. That's why they can't live on land. Okay, understand children? Once again you have to see. Okay, frogs have lungs for breathing on land. But their babies do not have lungs. They have gills which help them to breathe in water only. So, that adult frog, they can breathe on land only. Lungs have, and in water they have to use their moist skin. Okay, breathing purpose. Okay, completed now. Third question. Okay, third one, what? Name an animal that stays in water like fish but has no gills to breathe in water. It gives birth to babies like the tiger does, but does not live in the forest. What is that? Name an animal that stays in water. So, like fish. That animal stays in water only, like fish, but has no gills to breathe in water. It have birth to babies like the tiger does, but it does not live in the forest. What is that? Whale. It is a mammal. It gives birth to their babies, but it lives in water. It is breathing organ lungs only. So, mammal. Whale. What is that animal name? Whale. Third answer. You only write, seeing this question very big have no. Just I will write the answer whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Okay. Whale. Next experiment. Do and learn. Turn the page. Observe the life cycle of a butterfly. Look on the underside of leaves. The leaves of some plants like the lemon may have tiny eggs on them. So they are the eggs of butterfly. Pluck a few such leaves. Put them in a jar with a wide mouth. Tie a thin muslin cloth over the mouth of the jar. Okay. Keep the jar clean and well supplied with fresh lemon leaves. After a day or two, you will see tiny dark caterpillars with white spots. When the caterpillars turn green, put a twig in the jar for them to rest on. Very soon the caterpillars will change into pupa. When a butterfly wriggles out from a pupa, open the jar and keep it out in the sun. Let the butterfly fly out. Wow, it's an experiment you have to do in your home. But it's highly impossible, but try. Okay. Life cycle of a butterfly. In our home, as possible as you have to bring some lemon leaves and you have to take one jar. Okay, here like this you have to take that jar, wide jar. Okay, the leaves of some plants like lemon may have tiny eggs on them. Okay, you have to bring that very tiny eggs on that leaves. Have means only how to pick up that leaves. Okay, they are the eggs of a butterfly only. You know very well, beans only you have to bring out. Okay, next pluck a few such leaves. Put them in a jar with a wide mouth. You have to pluck some leaves also, and that eggs have on that leaves and remaining leaves also. Okay, wide jar. You have to take that wide jar, wide mouth jar. Okay, tie a thin muslin cloth over the mouth of the jar. You have to tightly tie the muslin cloth. Tie the jar. Okay, afterwards keep the jar clean and well supplied with the fresh lemon leaves. You have to supply clean and well that lemon leaves. After a day or two, you will see tiny dark caterpillars with the white spots. In that leaves only the eggs turns into caterpillars. Okay. When the caterpillars turns green, put a twig in the jar. Okay. Afterwards you have to twig in the jar. Okay. For them to rest on. Very soon the caterpillars will change into pupa. Okay. When a butterfly wriggles out from pupa, open the jar and keep it out in the sun. Let the butterfly fly out. As possible as you have to do this experiment. Next activity. Solve the crossword across. Here activity given, see, you have to solve this activity. What is that? The yellow portion in egg. What is that? Yolk. Okay. Here numbers given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So boxes also given 5. 4. Okay, next. Here P. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. L. 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Next we have no 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dot 4 P O L E 4. 2. Yes. Okay. Four. Okay. here N, P, here L, here A, okay, here M, again L, already have O, okay, G, next here S have E, W, okay, P, L, G, like this only given. So we have to find out here puzzle given, okay, activity across and crossword. Solve the crossword across downward. Okay, we have to cross across and down. We have to solve the puzzle, solve the crossword. First one across the yellow portion in an egg. What is that? Yolk. Numbers also given, no? Here 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 5, okay, this is 8, okay, this is 6, this is 4, this is 7, this is 6, okay. Fine. Okay, all came 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, egg, yellow color portion. Okay, yellow portion in an egg is called yolk. Y-O-L-K, yolk. All capital letters. Okay, next, the baby frog, tadpole. You know very well, tadpole. Tadpole. Okay. Next, lays egg in holes in the ground. Lays eggs in holes in the ground. Okay, what is the seventh one? Snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Lays eggs in the holes only, no? Next, down. Okay, down like this. Baby insects that looks like the parent. Nymph. M-P-H. N-Y-M-P-H. Nymph. Man is a dash. Mammal. Mammal. M-M-A-L. Mammal. Okay. Next, birds reproduce large aquatic mammal. Large aquatic mammal. What is that? Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Large aquatic mammal. No. Next, birds reproduced by sixth one. Okay, eighth one, shedding of the skin. Okay, eighth one, shedding of the skin. Molting. No. U-L, molting. Okay, molting. P-I-N-G, molting. This one, shedding of the skin. Molting. Eighth one. This completed. Next, birds reproduced by laying eggs. E-G-G-S, eggs. Okay, completed. No, understand? No. So you have to solve this puzzle like that. Across, down. Across means like that. Down means like this. Crossword. Completed. Okay, what is that? Nymph, yolk, tadpole, mammal, molting, eggs, snake, whale. Okay. Next, you find a nest with eggs in your balcony. What would you do? Tick the correct answer. What would you do? Throw the nest away, cover the eggs with grass and twigs. Okay. Watch it every day from a distance and not touch the eggs. This is the correct third one. You don't touch that nest, just watch it. You don't do anything, just watch it. Okay. Every day from a distance and not touch the eggs. If you are touching means it will be destroyed. So just you have to watch. Take distance. Okay, so far you have to just watch it. Today we are completing third lesson. Tomorrow we will start the fourth lesson. Okay children, have to take homework. Complete the classwork and just you have to learn question answers, think and answers. Okay, homework. Okay. Think and answer question answers you have to learn. Okay. Learn and write. Complete the class work first of all. Okay. Learn and write. Third lesson. Think and answer question answers.